Hi mga ka-vlogs, welcome to my channel, Vlogs Anytime Anywhere. Today we're going to program our homelink remote in the car from the remote of our garage door. I will show you how.
A few moments later.
Okay mga ka-vlogs, this is our car Traverse 2017 and my homelink remote control for my car for the garage door is in here on top of the center mirror or the back mirror here. Mine is in here, 1 2 3, and then some cars are in here in the mirror, below the mirror, but mine is here. So we'll program this homelink remote in the car from the Mastercraft remote control, the wireless remote control of the garage door. Okay, first step, we can program this one. First we can erase this old program here, and to do that we must press this 1 and 2, press together like this. Okay, there is the red light there. We'll wait until it's flashing. Okay, here we go, and then release it, and then we're ready to go to program this homelink. Okay, to do that we need this remote control of the garage door. This is the wireless remote control of the garage door. See, I will open my garage through this. This is my remote. Okay, so we'll open and press again, it's stop, and then press again, it's close. Yeah, okay, we start to program this one and this homelink in the car, because anytime we enter that garage there, we rarely push any of this button. So you will select which button you'd like to open and close the door. Okay, to do that we need this one. So we press this one button in the remote, and then together with which do you like to be open your, do you use to open your open and close your garage door. We press it together and I select the center one. Okay, press it together with your remote, and 3 inches to 5 inches distance, so it's like this. Okay, press it together and look at the light, the red light. Okay, that's it, and the garage door is open. Okay, until it's flashing. Oh, okay, and then release it. Okay mga ka-vlogs, that's it for today. Hope you will learn something from this video, and thank you for having us today. Don't forget to subscribe, Vlogs Anytime Anywhere, and please share this video, and if you have any question, please comment below and we will try to find answer for that question. Thank you and have a good one.